Hello and welcome back to the new section. In this section, we will share some important tips and tricks to help you learn all these skills. So let's first start with the communication skills. The first thing is practice active listening. Focus on listening attentively to others without interrupting. Show genuine interest and ask clarifying questions. So it's a very old saying, listen to others if you want to be heard. And active listening is very important. The next on the list is enhance verbal and non-verbal communication. So work on clear and concise verbal communication along with maintaining positive body language, eye contact, and verbal nods. So verbal nods are nothing but like, yeah, okay, I understand, yeah. So verbal nod is, you say, yeah, I understand, yes, you are right, absolutely. So agreeing to something is the verbal nod. Verbal nod, they will be in the positive way only. And non-verbal nods will be like, So these are non-verbal nods. So they're very important in active listening. It tells the speaker that you're listening, you are involved, you are attentive. Okay? So next on the list is seek feedback. Ask for feedback from your peers, your mentor, supervisor to identify improvement and receive constructive criticism. So this is very important. You should be first open to criticism. Whether it's negative or positive, it does not matter. If it is a criticism, see that it is for your benefit or not. And if overcoming that criticism helps you improve, you better take it in a positive manner. So next on the list is join public speaking groups. Very important in communication skills. You learn so much when you go and speak at these events. Participate in public speaking clubs or workshops to build confidence, improve articulation, and enhance your overall communication skills. So these tips help you improve your communication skills. So now let's go to the negotiation skills.